Good afternoon, my friends. So our lawmakers are finally taking action for the American people. Congress has confirmed that Americans in 43 U.S. states are eligible for more stimulus money right now. But you may have to apply before you receive the payment. So my friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn about all of the details in regard to this new relief money. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos and also comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Alright, friends, so homeowners throughout the U.S. may be eligible for additional financial aid right now under the Homeowner Assistance Fund. According to the Treasury Department, the purpose of the Homeowner Assistance Fund is to prevent mortgage delinquencies and defaults, foreclosures, loss of utility services, and displacement of homeowners experiencing financial hardships after January 21st, 2020. Homeowners can use these funds to help pay for mortgage payments, homeowners insurance, utility payments, and other purposes. The U.S. Treasury Department has said in an official statement, the law prioritizes funds for homeowners who have experienced the greatest hardships, leveraging local and national income indicators to maximize the impact. While homeowner assistance funds are not the same as the 3 stimulus checks that the U.S. had rolled out since the start of the crisis, they were allocated as part of President Biden's sweeping stimulus package, which was the American Rescue Plan. Nearly $10 billion was set aside for this fund. The amount of funds that has been allocated to each participant has varied, but each U.S. state, the District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico were all provided with a minimum of $50 million apiece. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that more relief should be provided to Americans? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now friends, internet access has become a necessity for work, school, and healthcare services in the 21st century. Unfortunately, access to the information superhighway remains out of reach for many American households due to rising costs. The Federal Communications Commission launched the Affordable Connectivity Program earlier this year. The $14.2 billion program provides financial aid to all eligible low-income households so they can afford internet service. As of February 2022, more than 10 million U.S. households have enrolled in the program. Eligible households can receive up to $30 per month towards internet service. Any household with an individual who receives supplemental security income is eligible for the program. Social Security will not affect your future benefit payments for this program. You may also be eligible for the program if your household participates in at least one of the following assistance programs: Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, Medicaid, or Federal Public Housing Assistance. Even if you do not receive SSI benefits or meet the other requirements, you could still qualify if your household income is at or below 200% of the federal poverty guideline. Friends, the keyword for this video is Rocky Mountains. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, my friends, and then comment below this keyword, which is Rocky Mountains, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do verify that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Taxpayers awaiting refunds from the Internal Revenue Service may find some solace in knowing that they will earn 4% interest payments from the Internal Revenue Service. These payments are usually behind 45 days or more. That is more than double what savings account or money market funds currently fetch. The IRS began this year's tax filing season with a backlog of 8 million individual and business returns from the previous year. And as of late April, the agency had a total of more than 15 million unprocessed individual returns. Americans may well have scrambled to file the returns by the April 18th deadline, after 2 years in which the IRS extended the tax filing deadline because of the crisis. Under the tax code, interest begins accruing 45 days after the mid-April deadline. That means during those years when taxpayers were granted extensions, the IRS had to issue interest payments on refunds, covering periods ahead of when the returns were technically due. Still, for those individuals whose refunds are delayed, a longer wait will likely be rewarded with the government paying an even higher rate of interest. Those extra bucks added up to the IRS paying $3.3 billion in interest to tax filers in fiscal year 2021, a number that has more than tripled since 2021. Adjusted quarterly and tied to the short-term interest rates, the current 4% rate paid to individual filers took effect in April, which is up a percentage point from the previous quarter.
You want to hear about crazy, and you want to hear about an irrational healthcare system? Crazy is when a patient walks into a doctor's office, gets a diagnosis, doctor writes out a prescription, and the patient cannot afford to fill that prescription, becomes sicker, ends up in the emergency room or the hospital at greater expense to the system. My friends, that is called crazy. I'm tired of talking with people who are struggling with mental illness but cannot afford the mental health counseling they desperately need. Last year, as you know, a record-breaking 100,000 people died of drug overdoses, and I will tell you that in my office, and I suspect the offices of every senator here, we get desperate calls from constituents who say, somebody in my family desperately needs mental health counseling. I'm worried, but far too often we cannot help them get the care that they need. It is not there because in the system geared toward the profits of the insurance companies rather than the needs of the American people, we do not have enough psychologists and counselors. We don't have enough doctors. We don't have enough nurses. We don't have enough dentists. We don't have enough medical care providers. We spend twice as much as any other major country. We don't even have the healthcare providers that we need to take care of our people.
Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are joining me daily and watching my videos. Please do me a favor, friends, and share this video with your family and friends if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Veronica Brown. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please reply with your email address or message me on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and please have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.